Okay, now let's do question 3. Gabriella measured the growth in the height of a sunflower. During week 1, the sunflower grew 5.9 centimeters. During week 2, the sunflower grew 1.48 centimeters more than it did in week 1. At the end of week 2, the height of the sunflower was 21.27 centimeters. What was the initial height in centimeters of the sunflower before week 1? So the goal of our problem is to find the initial height in centimeters of the sunflower. And I also drew a little visual to show off what's really happening. So during week 1, it grew 5.9 centimeters. During week 2, 1.48 centimeters more than week 1. The total height is 21.27 centimeters, and Mr. Morales does not know how to draw a sunflower. So what should be our first step? Well, we already know how much it grew in week 1, 5.9 centimeters. Do we know how much it grew in week 2? No, it tells us 1.48 centimeters more than week 2, but we don't know exactly how much during week 2. So let's find out the exact height growth for week 2. So we know that in week 1, it grew 5.9 centimeters, and it grew 1.48 more. The word more is going to let me know that we're going to do addition here. So once again, let's make sure we place our place values correctly. So I see here that 5.9 only has 2 digits, while 1.48 has 3. I know that this invisible digit right here is actually a 0, because we have 0 hundredths, or 9/10 is the same as 90 hundredths. So now let's add. So we know week 2, they had a growth of 7.38 centimeters. Now, we could start attempting to figure out our goal of what was our initial height in centimeters. Because we know our total height of 21.27 centimeters, there's 2 ways we could do it. We could subtract 5.9 from 21, then subtract 7.38 from that, or we could just do 5.9 plus 7.38, which equals 13.28, and subtract that from our total height. So let's see. And we get the answer of 7.99 centimeters. Now, make sure that you check your work and do a second strategy to see if you also get 7.9 centimeters.